friends, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my kitchen. We all know this is kind of festive season, like Holi, Mahasivratri, and all those festivals is like coming ahead. And so I thought, let's make something that we can like eat during like fasting, like Mahasivaratri or something like that. So I'm going to share with you guys Sabudana Khichdi. It's healthy and also delicious, and it's quick as well. So let's check out our recipe. And if you are a new visitor, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for future notification. So take a bowl, and then I'm going to take here around like 1 cup of sabudana, and just wash it properly at least 2 to 3 times. You really need to wash this sabudana nicely, and then drain all the water out, and then we are going to soak this overnight. And I am using here those big sabudanas. Try to use this big size sabudana, not the small one. Then here I'm going to use like around 3/4 cup of water. So the measurement has to be like right. So for 1 cup sabudana I'm going to use 3/4 cup of water, and then soak this at least for 4 to 5 hours, or overnight is the best. So as you can see, after around like 6 hours, look at these sabudanas. It's nice, not sticky at all, and it's doubled in size. It's soaked properly, and these are look at this, these are not sticky at all. So now take a kadai. We are going to roast our peanuts. Use ghee or oil, whatever you want, and then add peanuts and roast it around like 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame. These are nice and good, like roasted. And see, it depends on you how much peanuts you want. I'm not using too much, and then clean this nicely. Then I'm going to just crush this coarsely, and then just keep it aside. You can use blender as well. And now let's cut some few ingredients. So cut tomatoes, like finely chopped tomatoes, and then also I'm going to use here like green chili. So it depends on you how much you want, so just finely chop that too. And I'm going to chop some cilantro as well. And then also I'm going to use here some curry leaves. Of course it gives nice aroma, so here I have curry leaves. And then here I have, as you can see, it's a boiled potato. I'm going to cut it into small cubes, and you can use little more as well, I don't want. So, and then lemon, and again take a kadai and add ghee, around 1 tablespoon, and then add cumin seed. You can use oil as well, depends on you, refined oil. And then I have added here green chili, and then add curry leaves and saute this little bit, and then around 30 seconds. Then add tomatoes, chopped tomato, and saute that too. And we don't need to cook until it will soft. It's fine, you just cook this for 30 seconds, and then add boiled potatoes and cook this around 30 to 45 seconds. And then add your soaked sabudana, and mix it properly with those masalas. And here you can add little cumin powder as well, but I'm not using. And then salt to taste. I am using Himalayan pink salt, or you can use black salt as well. Then add peanut, and mix it. If you are not making this for broth or fasting, you can use normal salt as well. Then I am going to add like around 1 tablespoon sugar, according to your taste, I can say. And then have lime juice, and this you can like adjust the sugar and lime juice, and mix it properly. Look at this, it is transparent now. And add chopped cilantro, and our sabudana khichdi is ready. So it doesn't take too much time, it takes like 5 to 6 minutes. And serve this hot, and take it out in a plate. It looks so amazing, like pearl. And then sprinkle some chopped cilantro on top. And our sabudana khichdi is ready. It's so yummy and delicious. Just make it and enjoy your fasting or festivals. And you can make this for breakfast as well or snacks as well. This is so amazing and so tasty. So this sabudana khichdi, it's so amazing and so delicious. And guys, let me tell you one thing. You can make it really quick. So when you are doing fasting and all, you can just make this recipe, and you can use refined oil as well instead of ghee or clarified butter. And try this and enjoy your festivals or fasting. Do try this recipe and share your comments and suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, stay happy and healthy.